It's time to game, everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing CHONCHOW's gaming keyboard and mouse. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's open this up and check this puppy out. All right, so here we've got the keyboard. Some really cool features. There's one thing I like. You can put your phone in here however you want to position it, and it locks in. I have a case on, so it's a little bit harder to show you. Limited space is a big deal for me. So to have this, to be able to put your phone on there for other items, really good idea. Nice colors here, everything's separated, a good feel on the keyboard. What's nice is you got 7 colors. You can easily change it by just hitting the function button, up, down, and backlight. That's going to get that changed. These are silent keys, so no clicking or anything like that. Very ergonomic, very comfortable. Then you're going to also get a mouse. Now these are plugins, they're not wireless. I'm going to be honest, I seem to do a lot better with the mouses that are plugged in. You get 5 DPI levels on the mouse up to 7200, 1200, 1600, 3200, 4800, and then 7200. This does have anti-ghosting. There are 19 conflict-free keys, 4 dedicated multimedia keys, plus 12 additional function plus multimedia keys. Total 117 keys on this. And not only do you get all this, you also get a very nice mouse pad. Overall, this does really well on Amazon. How do I know? Because it's not only an Amazon choice. It gets 4.3 stars. I like to see 4.4, but with something like this, it's got 142 reviews. It's pretty darn close to what I like to see, and I'm not seeing any issues or these are getting returned or anything like that. Last month, 200 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.